What's up, y'all? I got the new gloves, got the new jersey. Let's get out here on the trail, have ourselves a good time. It is absolutely beautiful out today. We're going to be filming in 4K 30 frames per second. So jumping up from the 2.7K. Let's do this thing. It is so nice out. It's like 70 something degrees. Let's go do this little gap jump real quick, and then we'll cruise on down this trail. Hope y'all are having an awesome week. Yes. Oh, these gloves feel good. The other ones were a little worn out. Ooh, the bike's feeling good today. Didn't get my Yeti yet. I ordered one and then canceled it because, golly, is it hard to spend $5 grand or whatever on a mountain bike. This thing cost me that amount, and I don't know. I got a lot more that's between my legs than I would on a mountain bike, in my opinion. So we're gonna stick with this thing for a while. Eventually I'm gonna put a mountain bike in the stable. I just don't know if I want a hardtail out here, a fuller suspension bike, like a SB 130 or 140 would probably be really fun out here. My buddy Anthony told me that I should get one with like 140 in the rear, 160 in the front, or somewhere around there. So that's probably the route I'm going to go, because I do think that would be the most fun for the most places to ride. More of a full suspension 27.5 like the Yeti SB 140. But this is the Sur Ron X today, baby, and we're going to have some fun on it today too. It is gorgeous out, and we are, oh, this suspension's feeling good. I haven't been out in a few days. Woo! A little squirrely at times with all this sand, but man, is it fun out here. Keep that weight on that outside peg. Woo! Spin out. 100% battery, well, probably about 98 now. One thing I've learned about riding out here is you do not want to take your eyes off this trail. Let's listen to a little music. I got a confession. Been losing all momentum. What's up, y'all? It's CJ Moto. Let's get some jumping in, dog. We got this little tabletop thing right here. It's kind of goes along, come this way and kind of whip it down to the side. So let's check that out. I wanna dig my hands deep down in the dirt. Take a walk along the street if I'm feeling dessert. All of this convenience just doesn't work for me. I wanna play with fire, let me get hurt. Can we take it back to 95? Before we had this drama in our lives, just staring at the screen every day and night. I miss the rush of living in real life. Go get your DeLorean. All right, we're out here today, and one of my buddies let me ride his Santa Cruz Chameleon. It's got the 27.5 plus tires, the Fox 34 fork on the front, so let's go take a little ride on the trail. Right here, stay off the back, stay on the back. So I gotta get used to the brakes because they're on the opposite sides, but that can be changed when I decide to actually get a bike. Feels real nice. This is 27.5 plus, and I haven't ridden a mountain bike in absolutely forever. And this is a hardtail with a Fox 34 on the front, and it has the Industry 9 hubs that make all the noise. Whew. And flats, flat pedals, not clip-ins, and I'm wearing basically combat boots. How you doing? And you said you like to ride it off the back with this model. If you get too far up front, it'll get you into trouble. I just got to remember my left hand is my front brake instead of my rear brake, which, whew, working out okay so far. SRAM brakes feel good. They feel very similar to my other brakes, very modulated. And those Industry 9 hubs are the torches, I think he said. Oh my God, my legs. No foot down. Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to need to get in shape for this shit. Woo. All right, well, respect to the guy that did this whole loop with me on my Sur Ron. Santa Cruz Chameleon, 27.5 plus tires, kicking my ass. But the suspension's working great. It's a different feeling being back on bicycle pedals. Let's use that low gear, see what it feels like. Oh, there's that climb gear. Might have a heart attack on YouTube. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Boom, 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 boom. My heart's like, I feel like I just saw a beautiful goddess on the trail and my heart's beating so fast. Santa Cruz goddess. All right, let's pick it up. All right, y'all, I'm out. We're gonna go slow now. This bike is really beautiful. Got the blue hubs. We are dying, especially myself. These wheels feel great though. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Santa Cruz Chameleon in a medium. I'm 6'2". If you're thinking about getting one of these, get a large, but the medium does not feel bad. But I don't really know what good would feel like because this is my first real mountain bike I've ever ridden.